Good morning to every one of us nationwide. Shout out to all of us nationwide, worldwide, to different countries, to different people in this world. Kumusta to all of us. So now, I wake up already, same as usual, because happy Sunday today. And good morning YouTube, good morning YouTube company. And good morning to the staff of all YouTube workers. Thank you very much. And to all subscriber of mine, to all viewers, to all supporters of my small YouTube channel. Kumusta? How are you? And shout out to all of us nationwide, worldwide, and to the different countries. I'm just repeating. Okay, so same as usual, now Sunday is the first day of the school for the porcelain, and now she has a pajama day. Okay, so I prepared this one, her pajama day, and this one is her cologne also, cologne. Okay, I fix already in the kitchen. It's breakfast. I make it already ready, and for his lunch box I make also for boiled milk, boiled egg, and sausage, kasi nga pajama day. Okay, it's thick for the breakfast. So now this one is hadiah for her grandmother from Dubai, and grandfather, the parents of Madam Nur. Ayan. She's very lucky always. Maybe because she's only the only one. That's the reason, because she's the only one. Everything she can focus. His parents, they can focus everything. Okay, ayan. And this one, and I think she wear already the slipper. Okay, I forgot pala to buy yesterday the lotion, porcelain. Okay, and that one is a slipper. That is the slipper. Ayan o. Yes. This is a slipper. The kurumi. And I just make it slowly because he's still sleeping. Ay, sa cabinet yung ano na. What she want to wear now? I don't know, maybe she wear the pajama, the pajama slipper. This one. Okay, she has ayan o, she's sleepy pa. Ayan, she's sleepy. And now she has his Carmen. Is the gift. She's sleeping. That one. And si carrots. Ayan si carrots. Si carrots. Ayan si Karumi. Ayan o. Okay. So once again, thank you very much that you are always patient and kindness to watch my all videos, that what I have. And then last yesterday and last day, yeah. Okay, so once again, thank you very much to the all families me in the Philippines. Shout out to all of us in the Dinagat Island, all Dinagat Island, including the Lipo, Albar, Surigao, Dinagat Island, Santa Cruz, Tubahon, Loreto, and all Mabini, all that mga barangays in the Dinagat Island. Okay, and sa lahat ng mga all to kasi nga hindi ako pwede mag-shoutout kasi tulog pa si Sisi. Okay, once again, thank you. Keep safe to all of us. Angkan both side ni nanay and ni tatay, and the only brother that what I have. his second brother, my mga in-laws, my mga sisters, and my cousins, and my relatives. They are my cousins, and my oldness of my younger brother that passed away, and his wife also, my sister-in-laws. That's all. And mga younger and sister of my mother, my father's side also. And as what I'm telling from the beginning in my YouTube channel, those some blogger that you are helping to me until now, thank you very much that you didn't forget me, even that some of them they are not super active, and some also is very active, and there are more blessings in their YouTube channel. So, and the all supporters and viewers and subscribers that you belong them, and you help also to my YouTube channel, to my small YouTube channel. Thank you, and to all subscribers of mine and viewers and supporters, thank you very much. And also to my employer, to my Madam and Sir and Celine, and the company, and Angkan, both side, Madam and Sir. God will provide everything. God given focus on mind, good heart, and I wish everything will be okay to all of us, nationwide, worldwide, to all peoples that belongs in this earth. Okay? Sa lahat na meron yung nagiging party, that you will become part of my journey, that while I'm living, still living me in this earth. Okay? Mga kababata ko, childhood, mga may elementary, high school, college, until I make it working in Manila, until I become OFW, and you know who you are. And I'm very thank you and thankful also that you are making share to help my YouTube channel, that you make subscribe to me. Thank you very much. So thank you. If I didn't mention you individual, because you are too much, so that is generalized already for shout out and how are you buong nationwide, okay, and worldwide, and to the different countries, and to the all people in this world, including na rin ako yan, diba? I'm including of that also. So thank you again, and happy Sunday with all of us, wherever you are, whatever you do. Keep safe lagi, and God bless us all. And bye. Dito na lang kasi yan. Okay, yan na yung pajama. I prepare already. Pajama and the kulon of Celine. Thank you very much to all. Thank you. Yeah, God, we are very lucky that you are still with us. You are provide everything that we have got. Thank you very much talaga, Lord, that you are providing everything, even some trial, some mga circumstances, at least you are always with us in our daily work, in our daily life, in the routine of our life while I'm living in this earth. Thank you very much talaga, Lord. You are still with us now and forever. Amen and amen. Tignan natin yung labas ngayon. Ayan o. Yun yung laundry ko sa labas. Ayan yung security, nagpapason siya.